Okay, this is just going to be a really quick video to show you how to make QR codes in HueForge. First thing we're going to do is drag our QR code into HueForge. And then when you're making QR codes, there's no reason for us to have little layer heights. We don't care about blending. We just want solid QR codes. So I'm going to change both the base layer height and the layer height to 20 or 0.2. Then I'm going to change the overall depth. We want this to have some thickness so that it isn't too weak, and we'll change our minimum depth to half of that. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to hit the negative because we don't want the white to be on top. We want the black to be on top. So we're going to undo it, and then we're going to move black up. Get rid of our other sliders, and then bring the white up to 2.2. That is, since our minimum depth is 2, we want to go one layer over 2, and now you can see that we have our black and our white separated here. So we're just going to go ahead and save this as a project, which I've already done. And then we're going to load it into our slicer. I'm using Prusa Slicer for this. I've got the file loaded here. I've got my print settings at 0.2 and 0.2 to match HueForge. You don't need to be doing 100% infill on these. Then we just want to slice these. And I've already got this sliced. And then add your filament swap at 2.2. And there you have a QR code. Took us virtually no time to make. Was way easier than creating an SVG and extruding it. So hopefully this can help you out, and you can use HueForge to do things like this in the future.